What's up guys, Driver Mod Needed here, and today we're going to be doing the STEEDA lower control arm install. As you can see, we do have the car up on jack and jack stands, well just the jack stands. You need to take off the wheel. Here's the old ones, as you can see, very thin, looks like shit, nowhere near as nice as the STEEDA. Right now the only, you do have to remove the parking line, I think that's what it's called. Once we get it to fucking focus, so the only thing you're gonna need to do is remove this clip after, and then take the cable out. I'll show you guys right now how to do it, but I'm just telling you guys. But yeah, right now we have the car up on one jack stand, which is this side, because I am leaving the wheel on the other side, and then after I'm done with this side, I'll put the wheel back on and do the same process on this side. You're gonna need a fucking 18mm socket, which is which one is it? This one? Well, it doesn't matter, but you guys are gonna need an 18mm socket. You guys got one of these too to make life easier. But yeah, let's get straight to the install. Alright, we can get it to focus. The little clip right here that holds the parking brake line, you just gotta wiggle it out and it should be out. I thought it would be a lot harder, but it's not. There we go, see? Pretty easy, you can do it with your hand. Probably depends how old your car is. I mean, my car had low miles on it, so it's probably not totally stuck on there. This side, fairly easy. Oh, there we go. See, and there we go, it's off now. Pretty easy. I originally was a little skeptical doing this because I had to remove the parking line, but once you remove it, you just pull it under. Take it under here and you're good. Try not to lose the clip, guys, because I don't even know where you fucking get a new one. As you guys can see, we're gonna remove that bolt right there and that one down. Fuck you guys. Down right there and this one right there. 18mm socket and you guys are good. Alright guys, as you can see, the new lower control arm is on. Right there. You might, over there, it goes in pretty easy. Up here, because of it's a little spaced out because of these little bushings, it might come out a little, so I suggest hitting it with the rubber mallet. Not with the fucking hammer, because you might start bending shit and it could break, but with the rubber mallet, hit it up and you'll be fine. Alright guys, we're on to side number 2 now. Or right side actually. Alright guys, so one thing I should tell you guys is when you take off the retainer clip and all that, you can't really see how it goes, but when you put it back, this is how it will go. You can go back like this, see? So this part will be under. Look, this part goes under here at the bottom, and the retainer and this little space, as you can see right here in the middle, right this that I'm touching, you guys can barely see, that'll go on top, and you just put the clip on like that. For the inside, the one in front, you guys might need a breaker bar because the impact gun might not reach. Remember guys, thicker side goes on the inside, thinner side outside. This to the rear, that to the front. Don't forget to reconnect the brake line. It's fairly easy. Just a little reminder. I'm not sure if I'm gonna zip tie it because it seems like it'll be fine right there. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it won't drag my car's in low at all, so we don't gotta worry too much. Well guys, that concludes today's video. As you can see, lower control arms look really nice. Didn't really get a video without the wheel on, sorry. But yeah, it matches perfectly with my wheels. This should help wheel hop, better traction and all that shit. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.